So here it is. I bought a C-clamp on Amazon, and basically what happens, these pads or blocks, you know, they can go up and down a little bit, and the bolt goes through them on the side where it has like a little, like a wedge, and that wedge, you know, there's a lot of space here. So what happens after you're, you know, when you start turning and everything, you know, these blocks, they shift. So basically, like when you look at your springs and when you look at these blocks, like the edge of your actual pin supposed to be like pretty much like a flush with the block, and mine wasn't. Like mine was like all the way in. So whenever I turned, so when you're turning, basically the whole back, it just goes left and right, left and right. I mean, it doesn't go much. It's probably 1/10 of an inch, but it's enough to feel actually on the steering wheel, and it's enough to feel in the cab. And then like these, you know, the way that you can know if this is your problem, there's the washers right here. So these washers before, right now, they can't move. If you see it right here, you know, I tried to move them, they cannot move. Before, they were going like a left and right, and you could have like, you know, slide them and move them around. So as soon as you touch these right here, the washers, and if they don't move, you know, either left or right, or if you can't slide them, you know, it's fine. But if you touch these and they're going left and right, you have a problem. So you have to buy the C-clamp. I bought this is a 10-inch C-clamp that I bought it off of Amazon, and it works perfect. I just did the other side, and I'll show you in a second. This side is a little bit more difficult because you have a starter in a way, but still it goes on enough that you can grab it. It's just the C-clamp that I bought is just a regular, like a ball joint C-clamp, but it's extra large. It's 10 inch instead of 6, because the regular one is 6 inch. So if you buy the 10-inch C-clamp, you have, like, you can see it has plenty of space to go around. But yeah, let me go around and show you this side that I just finished. Yep. So again, if you look at the washer, right now it doesn't have any space. It doesn't move. And before it was just going back and forth. And the way to do it is just loosen these bolts right here. I mean, I use the jack just for a little support on this side, but I didn't do it on the other side just to see if I can move it. I mean, you don't have to use a jack, but you can. But basically just loosen these bolts. Just loosen them, don't take them out. Just loosen them a little bit and just squeeze. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's pretty much at the edge. The pin is supposed to be pretty much at the edge. And that's how you know that doesn't have any more play. And also, like I said, the washer, it's not going up and down. So, well, yeah, hopefully it helps somebody, because it was driving me nuts. Just like when you turn, it just shifts. Like I said, it's not much, but it's enough to feel it, and it's annoying. So, well, yeah, hopefully helps somebody. Just wanted to make a quick video. All right, bye.